Hello, biology students. Welcome to the fall 2020 semester. I wanted to make this video for a few different reasons. One is just to introduce myself. I'm Emily Reed. I'll be helping to get you started in this course this semester. After a couple of weeks, there may be another instructor that will probably take things over, but I will certainly give you updates as that date approaches if that happens. In the meantime, I'm looking forward to working with you. I was a student at Merced College as well many years ago, and I really enjoy being back and teaching now. So one thing to note, just even though this is an online class, an online biology class, we will still be interacting quite a bit. So we'll still be getting to know each other similar to how we would if we were able to be in person. So, in order to get you set up for success in this course, a couple of things we need to do. We need to make sure that you are comfortable navigating Canvas. We're going to be working in Canvas together throughout the course. And so I'd like to just go over sort of how things are laid out in Canvas in case you're not real familiar with it. So what we're looking at right here, I'm just parked on our home page for our course. Your view should look something similar to this. And if we scroll down, there's a little bit of introductory information. It kind of talks about getting started, and it says that we want to start with an orientation module. So what is a module? If you haven't worked in Canvas much before, this might be something new to you. Modules are just ways for us to organize chunks of material, chunks of content, and the way that you can access modules is by going over to the left here. See the we've got a few different options. Right now we're on the home page. Right beneath that is a link to the modules. So if I click on that, it will take us to Module 0. Start here, it says. This is where you're going to be getting started. So you'll click on this very first page, which is about our class, and you'll read through it. And then when you get to the bottom of the page, there's a next button. You're going to just click that next button to go on to the next page, which happens to be about Canvas. When you get to the end of this page, there's another next button. So you're just going to keep nexting through each of these pages until you get to the end of Module 0. At some point, you'll come across a couple of assignments. There's going to be a discussion prompt. So when you get to that, you'll take a minute and do it. But in general, this is very important. Week by week, things are going to be organized under modules. And whenever you start a module, it's important to start at the beginning and work your way through in sequence. Things are laid out in a particular order. So after Module 0, next will come Module 1. This is the first module that actually introduces some of the topics of biology. So Module 0 is kind of equivalent to a syllabus. It talks about a lot of policies and how to do things. And then Module 1, this is where we'll actually kind of get underway with the course. Just one other note, back on the home page, this is the page that you'll land on every time that you go to our course in Canvas. On the home page, there is a to-do list for you. This is handy because it gives you a quick picture of things that are coming up that you need to be sure and get to. However, word of caution, don't just click on these directly to go and do the assignments. Instead, you're going to follow that procedure, that very precise procedure. Go over to the modules, go through the module in order. Eventually you'll come to that assignment that needs to be done. So again, just make sure to work through things in order, and that way you won't miss anything important along the way. So I think that's it for now. Feel free to let me know if you have questions. I'll be sending you a separate announcement with information for my office hours if you'd like to talk in real time. So looking forward to getting the semester started with you. Bye.